Okay, let's now go for a hack attack or something with more Smith. Is it going to accept? Oh, it's delayed already on this. Stumbled him already. Smith gambit. Okay. If I just develop more pieces, get them out of the box. Qe2 Rook D1, that sort of thing. I'm not sure he's played a great setup against this, so maybe he's playing with some cheapo later on H2 or something. And get the bishop over here. On knight D5, Rook C1 on knight D5. Oh, I'm tempted to take now. Okay. I don't believe this double pawn complex in this position for some reason. Knight D5 here. Takes, knight E5 will be on this rook. I'm going to go for it. Okay, let's just put more pressure on the centre then. He's not taking it. Let's play knight F4 or something to H5. If I get the knight into H5, it's pretty dangerous, surely. Queen over here, threatening Queen G7 mate. Okay, that goes back. Alright, so it's not so hot now, as maybe it once was. No, Rook C5 though, Rook C5. Bishop's on it though, that's a problem. If I take... Okay. What have I got? If he moves his F pawn, Bishop E6. I've just been skewered. Not good. Although maybe it is good, I don't know. Dark squares. I'm getting Queen H5 in anyway. Plan here. Aha. Yes, of course you can play that. It's gone bad. It's gone pear-shaped. I don't know what to do here. Try one on time or something. Maybe playing for F4 actually. No, that weakens G3 even more. This looks totally lost. Queenside attack. See, Queen D2, Queen A5, that sort of thing. I select pawns, so I'll play B3. Oh, it's got Rook C2. Okay. Queen A5. Try and get on the back row. B3 here now. So what is he doing about e6 and rook c1? What's he doing with his pieces? He didn't need to give me this. Seems like I'm getting a better position from nothing. From absolutely nothing. C-file domination. I can move at h4 now. h5, h6, that sort of thing. I don't know, he's going to go for a cheapo or something. f3 is bishop f3, I suppose. Or is there? Can I just take a rook g1? Try it. So I think h6 now. That could be a useful pawn. Now what? Now what? Indeed. Rook d1. Right, if I take queen d4. Yeah, take queen d4. Oh, queen f2. Protecting g3. Taking f6 again. Taking the bishop. Has he been swindled? I don't know, I think let things go there on the c-file if he is going to be swindled. I don't know. This pawn's dangerous as well. Okay, he's lost his bishop. Block f6 from the rook. But his pawns are dangerous in the centre. Alright, so what do I want to do here? Rook f1 to f5 or something? This is rook f5. Rook f5. Oh, queen. Okay. There's knight e4 as well. There's no check on e5. Let's let his queen go. And that diagonal is vicious. Queen d4. That's a bit nasty. I didn't deserve that, that's for sure. But he let me in. Oh no, I didn't. He let me in, so let's see. So he was completely killing me after winning the exchange. After I gave him a huge centre of pawns as well. And I don't know, some trivial, nice tactic there on g2. Then some triviality on the queen side. That's him going his rooks and queen all passive for some reason, giving me the c-file. And then giving me this h6 pawn. And then this faulty tactic. Just because queen f6 all of a sudden is terrible. So he's lost the piece back and then sort of being ripped apart again on this diagonal. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.